The IT operations landscape has evolved over time to accommodate the faster response times mandated by market pressures and compliance requirements. It is no longer acceptable for a vulnerability to be left unpatched on a system for months at a time. What was a commonplace patching timeframe in the middle 2000s is now regarded as a security disaster waiting to happen. Many approaches have been developed to adapt to this changing environment. First, we saw the DevOps role appear, where tasks traditionally reserved for the operations team were shifted to the developer role, reducing turnaround time and enabling faster response to evolving requirements. And then, DevSecOps was the logical next step. With DevSecOps, some security concerns were shifted from the security teams to the DevOps space. At its core, adopting DevSecOps methodologies means that an organization is placing security as a core concern alongside development and maintenance, rather than an afterthought that is only considered after applications and systems are in production. On a practical level, DevSecOps expands the DevOps automation methodology by inserting security checks, configurations, and tools into the scripts used to provision servers and services, lifecycle management, monitoring, and reporting. For example, instead of creating a script to deploy a system and an application, that same script will now also provision the security configuration required to harden said systems and services, as well as its automatic inclusion into the monitoring platform being used. But, like any other methodology, it is only as effective as its practical application. If only some scripts are hardened with security concerns in mind, for example, for your main production systems, while other systems are deployed without such security measures in place, then you're leaving holes in your armor. It is not uncommon for development and test systems to receive less attention in this regard, and this has been the entry vector for some very public and costly security incidents. Making sure that security concerns permeate your operational activities is key for a successful DevSecOps approach. Deploying tools like TuxCare's kernel care as part of your system's lifecycle scripts is both easy to accomplish and effective at patching new and existing vulnerabilities in your Linux systems, regardless of each system's apparent relevance. Kernel Care Enterprise allows you to deploy patches while systems are running, so your Linux hosts are updated in the background, and you don't have to reboot anything or schedule any downtime to apply patches. If you happen to be supporting or maintaining legacy systems, like end-of-life Linux distributions, for example, then you can use TuxCare's Extended Lifecycle Support. Both of these TuxCare services are easily automated and fit perfectly into your DevSecOps mindset. By leveraging TuxCare security tools as part of your DevSecOps approach, you'll upgrade your operations to keep up with current best-in-class security practices, while also minimizing your patching-related workload.